Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope so you all are fine. Today I have a question: x raised to the power 8 minus x raised to the power 2 divided by x raised to the power 4 minus x raised to the power 2, which is equal to 9, and we have to find the value of x. So from above equation, in numerator we have x raised to the power 2 is common. So we will take x raised to the power 2 common here, and we have left this divided by this will be equal to x raised to the power 6 minus this divided by this will be equal to 1 divided by, in denominator again we have x raised to the power 2 is common here. So x raised to the power 4 divided by x raised to the power 2 will be equal to x raised to the power 2 minus x square divided by x square will be equal to 1, which is equal to 9. So from here x square and x square will be cancelled out, and x raised to the power 6 minus 1. So x raised to the power 6 can be written as x raised to the power 3 into 2. It is same as x raised to the power 6 minus 1. We can write 1 as 1 square. Similarly, it is x square minus 1 can be written as 1 square, which is equal to 9. Now it is the form of a square minus b square. So a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. So we will apply this formula here in numerator and also in denominator. So it will become a plus b, here a is x cube, so it will become x cube plus 1 and x cube minus 1, and it will become, here a is x, so it will become x plus 1, x minus 1, and it is equal to 9. Now it is the form of a cube plus b cube, which is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square, and here a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So we can write 1 as 1 raised to the power 3, and here also, so it will become the form of a cube plus b cube and a cube minus b cube. So we will apply these formulas here. So it will become x plus 1 into x square minus ab means x into 1 will become x plus 1, and a cube minus b cube will be equal to a minus b, so x minus 1, x square plus x plus 1 divided by x plus 1, x minus 1, and it is equal to 9. So x plus 1 and x plus 1 will cancel out, and x minus 1 will be cancelled out. So we have remaining here x square plus x plus 1 and x square minus x plus 1, which is equal to 9. Now we will multiply both terms. So x square and x square will become x raised to the power 4, and x square and x will become x cube. Similarly, it will become plus x square, it will become plus x cube minus x square and plus x. 1 x square mean x square minus x plus 1, and it is equal to 9. So negative x cube and positive x cube will cancel out from here. Negative x square and positive x square will be cancelled out from here. Similarly, positive x and negative x will cancel from here. So we have left x raised to the power 4 plus x raised to the power 2 plus 1, which is equal to 9. We can write x raised to the power 4 as x square and its square plus x square plus 1, which is equal to 9. X square and x square are same, so here we will let u is equal to x square. So above equation will become u square plus u plus 1, which is equal to 9. So it can be written as u square plus u plus 1 minus 9, and it will be equal to 0. So it will become u square plus u minus 8 is equal to 0. Now it is the form of quadratic equation, so we will apply here quadratic formula. So quadratic formula is u is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So a is 1, b is 1, and c is minus 8. So minus b means minus 1 plus minus square root of 1 square minus 4 times 1, c is minus 8 divided by 2 times 1. So u is equal to minus 1 plus minus square root of 1 minus into minus plus 4 8 times 32 divided by 2. So it will become u is equal to minus 1 plus minus square root of 33 divided by 2. It's mean we have two solutions, that u is equal to minus 1 plus square root of 33 divided by 2, and u is equal to minus 1 minus square root of 33 divided by 2. But u is equal to x square. So square of any number is positive, but this number is negative. So this solution will be rejected. So we will solve this solution and find the value of x from here. So it will become x square is equal to minus 1 plus square root of 33 divided by 2. So taking square root on both sides to remove this square. So the value of x is equal to minus 1 plus square root of 33 divided by 2 and its whole square root. X is equal to plus minus square root of minus 1 plus square root of 33 divided by 2. So if we put this value in calculator, so according to calculator, the value of x is equal to plus minus 1.54. Hope so you will like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.